Hi guys, David Peterson here, and what you just saw was the sunset in Punta Gorda, Fisherman's Village. Fisherman's Village is a hotel, but it's much more than that. Let's go check it out. So this is Caribongo. This is the Grinch. He's doing thumbs down over here for the kids. So here's Caribongo, and we're gonna go inside and chat.
Hi guys, my name is Andrew Assam. We're in Caribongo, store of color changing products here in Fisherman's Village, Punta Gorda, Florida. I'm going to show you a demonstration on how they're going to change color in the sun. You start with any of our shirts, put the face down on our UV table for 5 seconds face down to show you how they're going to light up with color in the sunlight. Of course, it'll be instant in the sunlight, and all of our shirts do it minus our sunglasses. You can feel free to try anything at all face down on the table, and if you need me,
So Andrew here is a really nice guy. It turns out his father had passed away, and so him and his brother moved back home in order to help his mom take care of this shop. And if you're like me, you love these novelty gifts, you love these color changing t-shirts. But if not, you can always pick one up for your kids or your grandkids or your nieces or nephews. They love stuff like this. So I highly recommend you check out Caribongo. Again, it's a great guy, a great family, and it's just a great shop overall, so make sure to stop in Caribongo. So the hotel part of Fisherman's Village is actually on the top floor there. So when you go in, you'll see signs to check in at the concierge office. You can also go on these lighted Christmas tours, and you can see where we're at here in the top right and where they generally go. Here's the tour boats out here. And they're going to leave at sunset to go look at the Christmas lights because it is the holiday season. But they're pretty much running boat tours out of here year round. Over here we can see where Hurricane Milton, they're still recovering from that. They have not rebuilt the pier yet. And you can still see some of the boats that were lost during that storm. So devastation is still pretty recent memory, about a couple of months ago when that storm hit. So this is Fisherman's Village. This is the entryway, and this is during the day, but it's really fun to see all these lights. We'll see them again when they all come on and it gets a little dark out. And other than that, when you walk in, you can smell the popcorn, you can smell the fudge, you can smell that candy shop because they're in there making it. And it smells really, really good. So here's some gossip for you. The guy who owned Fisherman's Village, his name's Jonathan Larmore, or he did used to own it. But then around last year at this time, the SEC, he was in a case for $35 million with the SEC. He's being sued. So around May of this year, or June or July, it reverted back the ownership to the previous receivership. And so as of right now, last I heard that this was for sale. Fisherman's Pier is actually for sale, but last I've heard nobody's purchased it yet, so it's still in the previous receivership. Okay, we've made it to nighttime. So yes, at night it was really fun to be here. I really did like all the Christmas decorations that they had here. Especially right when you walk in, you've got that big Christmas tree here, and they kind of look like a star design over the walkway here. So it's really fun. I really enjoyed this. And if you are in Punta Gorda during the holidays, I definitely recommend checking out Fisherman's Village. On this side of Fisherman's Village, you can see the pier in there very well. And you can eat dinner or lunch out there and watch the sunset. It's awesome. Now, if you're not visiting during the Christmas or holiday season, there's always something going on here. Even during the summer, the busiest time of year is between January 1st and April 1st. That's our season when most of our snowbirds come back. And when that happens, this place is just absolutely hopping. Barely elbow room here. But here in the colder months, no, not quite as much. So here we can see one of the cruises that goes at night, and they go and watch the Christmas lights. So they're always doing cruises. Sometimes they're looking for manatees, sometimes they're looking for dolphins, sometimes they're looking for Christmas lights. So if you come here and you want to go out on a boat, there's usually a charter ready to take you right then and there. There are over 30 shops here in Fisherman's Village. And this is the Village Brew House. You can seat out here and eat. There's also an inner spot here, and as you'll see, we have live musicians. There's always somebody playing here as well. So if you want to come have a romantic date, or even just a fun time with family or friends, or even you want to just sit out here and reminisce by yourself, Fisherman's Village is a great place to go. It's definitely a favorite for those in Punta Gorda, but people come from all over. There's a lot of restaurants and bars in Punta Gorda, so people even come up from Cape Coral or come down from Port Charlotte to come visit. With that said, you guys, my name is David Peterson. I am a real estate agent in Southwest Florida. So if you're interested in this area, please reach out and let me know. I'll have my information in the description box below. Thanks for watching.